What is up, YouTube? Do you want to get free traffic from people who are really interested in buying? Because you can get a lot of free traffic sources, but there's only some free traffic sources that really give you money from people who actually want to buy stuff. Well, if you're interested, I got something really exciting to tell you about in my review of Commission Ignition. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. And why would that be, you might ask? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can polo successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. Yes, there's Dunkin' Donuts. Guys, seriously, time to make the donuts. There's a Dunkin' Donuts around the corner from me. It's great, but it's bad for my diet. But anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, seriously. You followed me halfway around the world to New York. Can't you give it a rest? Really? Seriously? Do you know how annoying that guy is? Constantly yakety, yakety, yakety. It drives me crazy. Anyway, the way things work here, if you are new to the channel, if I like your product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you very much, Liz. You see, Liz says the same thing every day also, but she's a sweetheart. She's a fellow New Yorker. How can I get angry at a fellow New Yorker? Anyway, if you are new, make sure that you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I jump into videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Let's go ahead and take a quick look over here. We don't need the Zoom thing in front of me. So this is the sales page for the Commission Ignition course. This is from my friends Johnny and Sasha. And basically the course is all about getting free traffic from a website you may or may not have heard of. It's called Quora. Now Quora is a question and answer service where people can post questions on pretty much any topic you want. I have actually used Quora myself to drive traffic. It's been great, but there is a limitation, but I'm going to solve the limitation for you. I'll show you just a minute. How I'm going to solve the limitation for you is part of my custom bonus. Now, these kind of numbers definitely are doable. There's no question you can make money using Commission Ignition. Basically, the idea is that you answer people's questions and they will learn more about you and get excited to know about you. And then you're going to go ahead and have people look at your profile. Now, here's where my bonus comes in, because it's a really, really special bonus I want to show you. Quora has two places that you can put links. You can put links inside your questions. You also can and are encouraged to put links into your bio. Here's the catch. If you put links in your questions constantly, you're going to get banned from Quora. It's just going to happen. That's just the way they do it. They will ban you, and it's not going to be good for you. So most people, they put in a link to their website, for example, in the bio. The trouble is that your website may be a bit overwhelming, may not be the best thing for actually allowing people to get to whatever products you want to promote that day. Okay, because let's face it, you have a million different links. You have, join my million, join this, join that, join this, join that. So I want to give you the chance to focus things. So I'm going to give you my InstaBio link software. Now this software is really, really cool. Let me show you this software. So this is InstaBio link. Okay, and basically what it creates is something like this. Now this would go onto a phone or on a computer, and it automatically resizes according to what you need. And basically you can make your links be whatever you want them to be. Okay, you can see here, let me get my thing over here out of the way, my featured links. Okay, and you can change the title, you can change all these details here. All right, so we can, for example, edit this thing and I can change everything that you see here. So I can change the title, I can change the description. Okay, I can add a verified check mark if I want to. Okay, you can change the background and you have all these different things. You can change your branding, your analytics. Okay, all these different things can be changed and you can actually schedule links. This is something I really love. So for example, I wanted to create a link. I can make a link, just call it test.com, add URL. We gotta make it a proper thing. There we go. All right, and basically what you can do is it's going to add on a link for you, and basically you can edit the thing right here. All right, so let's say we wanted to edit this thing, and so I can give it a name, for example. This is awesome. All right, you can also use emojis with your links. And as you can see, you can actually schedule the links. This is really, really cool. So this way, if you're doing a limited time promotion, you can schedule your links to automatically display at particular times and then use them when you need them. You can also add in icons if you like. You have over 1,300 icons to choose from that you can use with the links. And of course, you can change the colors, the outline, all that kind of good stuff. You can even have animations so you can see, you can bounce, you can wobble to basically grab more attention. And the nice thing is that you can add in as many links as you like and you can change them easily inside of my InstaBioLink software. So you're going to get the access to InstaBioLink right away as soon as you pick this up. If you pick up any upgrade to Commissioned Ignition, then I'm going to give you the upgraded version of InstaBioLink, which gives you more controls and the ability to remove the branding. Right now it has branding included. If you pick up the upgrade, you get the branding removed from it. If you've already got InstaBioLink, because you got it from one of my previous promotions, then you can just send me an email and we'll go ahead and get you set up to switch to the upgraded version. Okay, there's actually 3 levels if I recall correctly. One is like a completely upgraded version, one is a partially upgraded version. I don't remember the exact details of what's what, but basically that's how it's going to work as far as what you're going to be getting here. Now let's take a quick look at the members area over here for the course. So you can see it's a very detailed course. Johnny's going to show you everything you need to know about basically getting traffic from Quora. And again, Quora is great because the people who are going there are seeking answers to specific questions. They have specific information they're looking for. And the nice thing is when people are looking for a specific question, they want to know an answer to something. They want to know, how can I make money online? How can I solve my girlfriend issues? How can I lose weight? Okay, and you don't have to stick, by the way, just to the make money online niche. You can do anything you could possibly think of can be done here on Quora. It's not just one specific niche, so don't limit yourself to thinking only about the make money online niche. You can literally do any niche you like and focus on that, and then you can go ahead and find offers to monetize it. For example, you can monetize it using ClickBank. You can go find offers on ClickBank for pretty much anything you can possibly think of. I mean, for example, there's woodworking courses on ClickBank. Okay, there's courses about cats and weight loss and pretty much anything you can possibly think of. You don't have to stick to the make money online niche. And that's really important because a lot of people get stuck in the mindset that, oh, I have to do the make money online niche. And everybody does the make money online niche. It gets hard to compete. But if you try to expand out to things that you are passionate about, that you enjoy, that are not necessarily the make money online niche, you're going to make more money because you're not competing with a million other people who have already gotten into that niche and who have already become successful in the niche. Frankly, if I had to do over again, I probably wouldn't be doing the make money online niche because it is a very, very hard niche to get into. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip match to the product creator or not.
You rock!
And yes, I am. You know what? Yeah, this is a great course, and for $9.85, you really can't go wrong with this one, especially since you get my Insta BioLink software for free. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is good. You're gonna love it.